This one now all the way from Kenya. They don't arrest 2 suspects for Mombasa. They talk to them, these suspects killed one 19-year-old girl. Hi, people. You know, the killing for these African countries, it don't they fear me. This girl, where her name na Najima Malim. And talk say this girl just go missing. She talk say she dey go her friend house. So say as she reach the friend house, now there, like after 2 days, they come start to find this girl. Now they no see this girl. Before they go here, they talk say they see this girl for road. Make now watch the video of how the whole matter happened.
19-year-old girl from Garsen in Tana River County arrived in Mombasa last month to stay with her sister in Changamwe. She had just completed her Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education at Karima Girls, scoring a B plane. But her life would come to a tragic end. Her family says last week on Wednesday afternoon, Najma left the estate in the company of her friend never to return.
Nilimpigia simu akaniambia ako njiani. Kuanzia saa moja, ilikuwa saa 1:20 hivi, dakika 20. Kuanzia saa hiyo simu yake ikakuwa mteja.
2 days later, after she was reported missing, Najma was allegedly spotted by a Good Samaritan in Bonje along the Dongokundu bypass, lying unconscious and bleeding heavily. The Good Samaritan took her to Portrees Hospital, where the family found her dead. Her body has been moved to Coast General Provincial Hospital, where the post-mortem examination will be conducted.
If you can observe the body carefully, you will find that she's oozing blood. There are evidence of torture, there are cuts on her body, and you can see that even her head was hit with a blunt object.
When I don't see what in this person talk, they talk say they see this girl for Dongokundu bypass. They talk say where they see this girl for Kenya. So as they see this girl, they don't torture her. Say she they even bleed. I can't they wonder, it be like say this whole matter, it be like say they rape this girl as the matter be. See this kind fine girl. Hey, and this girl, you know, they see this kind thing. This girl now people will say they cover face. So all this a larger kind of people. And now this kind person like this, now they still the time. And they talk say like after 2 days when this girl come out, she dey go visit her friend. Now there the family no come see her again. They begin find this girl before they go see her. Say one Good Samaritan now come see this girl, carry this girl go hospital. But by the time when they go see her, this girl don't already come die. What thing this girl do then these people? Now what thing are they ask? Because what person go do you which way be say you go come do this girl this kind of bad thing. And as it be, they not see the only rape. It be like say they use sharp objects, not this girl for head. So what? And they don't come out anything. Nobody say this one now they cut her breast or I be they cut her eye. Nothing. So person go just day, you go just day. They look person say okay, this girl too fine. I be this girl do me something. I be you told this girl the girl no agree. Now making a con decide say no, I won't do this girl bad thing. Because the matter be these 2 suspects now they never even talk what really happen. No. Now police now just do investigation. See say and they don't. In fact they over torture her. So they see wound for her body. They don't cut her, beat her, do her things with sharp objects. And the whole matter, the whole thing now, what thing this girl do? Nobody know. What thing this girl do? No, this one a sad one. This one they pay me because this kind small, 19 years old. Now when I see say, now I won't go use stay. What thing now? They never use the girl do anything. And maybe they feel saying after this whole thing, the girl no go die. But not be everybody they feel stand all this kind of torture. Because fine, I don't rape her because she dey overbleed. And for person they overbleed, it means say they don't. I be they won't say I be the girl go do abortion. Because when they surprise, I know when they understand this whole matter. Because she come and say she dey go here. Before they go see her, they can't go see her for somebody. The 2 persons have went in her arrest. And I know they come out and make they talk waiting them say they won't talk. Because I feel maybe this girl don't go another place, tossing her friend place she go. Go do something to her body. Because for you to dey overbleed, you know they normal. And people just dey wicked. The heart of human being now, it just dey wicked. Maybe people they dey careful. If you won't come out, my sister, my brother, tell your neighbor, tell your family. Say, now here they go. Make we not come the hear story that touches. Before we come here, say they don't cut one of your leg, they don't cut one of your hand. Say you talk, say they go your boyfriend place, your boyfriend don't go use your head. Because the way the country they go, the way Africa they go, now so the matter they be now. No be only Nigeria get problem, Kenya get problem, Ghana get, in fact everywhere now problem they. Make we dey safe, make we over dey careful. Because now you don't know the mind of person. No? This girl now where they do this thing for. Nobody even know what even cause this whole thing. Nobody know what cause this kind. They are not raping, they are not killing. Nobody know. Person just say you come out, they don't go kill you. For waiting now, God said and bless say as person they sin now, bless God suppose they punish people immediately. Because he get some kind sin where God suppose they do immediate effect of punishment. Person go just dey kill him fellow human beings like say na chicken. Na meat you dey cook, na akoko you go kill. Wey be say na go just kill person and no go even feel anything, I go dey relaxed. Now, wow, my people, the kind of people wey dey this world now, they don't dey fear me. Human being with this flesh now, una don dey fear me. As this matter be, na so I hear am. I come say, make una sef come hear wetin dey happen for Kenya. Make una no think say na only one country na all this kind of thing dey happen. It dey happen everywhere. So make una dey very careful. Anything wey una feel about this whole matter, make una write am for the comment section. Make una no come forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. I go see una for our next video. Imo State Governor, wey all of us know as Governor Hope Uzodinma, don come outside come challenge Nigerians say make Nigerians tell am why APC no go win the next general election. This one na real jam question. Which kind of question be this one? Say why they no go win? Wetin una don do? Wey you come dey talk say which reason we wan give una? Now him dey talk this one say Nigerians no get any concrete evidence. So say everything wey we just dey talk na just mouth talk. Say we never give am any evidence about this Buhari administration. Say this administration na failure. Say no better evidence to talk. Say even the problem wey dey happen for Nigeria na people na dey try pull Nigeria down. That means na the youth, na the people wey dey even live for Nigeria, na dem dey try fall Nigeria by themselves. Because of say wetin, he never see anybody. And they hear wetin this government talk, say nobody don come outside say government no dey perform. I come dey wonder, bless all the things wey we dey talk, they just dey enter one ear, they come outside for the next ear, because this man dey talk say him never hear anything as e be. Say even people wey dey complain say that they always pay salaries. Now wow, Imo people be like say in our own governor, if they do things for them, and make am get mouth, get power, they come outside when they talk this kind of matter. Say salaries, nobody go come outside say they never pay a salary. Say even road, say the road good. That means if let's not only Imo State, now this thing they work for. Because for Lagos, where me I know. In fact, if you enter Ojo, enter moto, if your belly no thumb, where we say if you reach out now shit, now go even first carry you reach out. If you no do it like that means no be Lagos you did. Lagos road wey no even good, especially this Ojo road. All of us know Iyanoba road. That road no even good at all. Now this man they talk say, and the government don't do road. Say road good. Say even railway stations good. In fact, not only that one, now I know say government don't even work on. Well, I know say, and that one self, some area, they never even put the rail. I mean, even the stones, talk let of say, they won't come, they build the railway station for that place. So, this thing where this man, they talk, it can't be like say, now another country, in the, if let's say na Ghana, be na Togo country, now they talk about, I'm not sure saying that this our Nigeria, where all of us, they live inside, now they talk about. And then can't even talk the one way over shock me. Say they do youth empowerment, and say everybody, everybody, including you, when they watch this thing, say you know if you come outside talk, say you know benefit. What? This thing they shock me, they even surprise me. So me like this, I go come outside and I talk, say I benefit from your work when I don't even benefit. Now wow, our government na sabi lie. See as now they talk this line, this like they sweet on her. Say people don't benefit from empowerment. Which empowerment na give us? On I teach people things where we say people say they no go. Even this empowerment where they do, all of us know say this thing a connection. If there's no person, they go carry all these laws, go give their own family. Like say now only their family and they won't make their progress. People will not to get. In fact, and I go just do on our own or you're in a day. So all this one where this man when they talk, because they even give me heart fail. God. In fact, my heart they ache for all this kind of matter where this man they talk. Because he don't even conclude saying we no get any concrete evidence about this government. Say because the government they work, they do things. Say the only thing when they hear now, headsmen and farmers they fight. This one they happen. And last before everything go happen, we go hear say they don't kidnap 200 people. Say now the only thing when they hear and say all these things when they believe in action. Say make people come as I come face them. Talk this thing. Nobody say we go talk for one corner. So all this talk where people they talk every day, people go do video. It means that the thing no they enter their ear. Maybe now that protest where people they do. It bless now that when they enter their ear where because this one where person they even talk. They say they no hear. It can't be. If like all of them, they need cleaning of ears. The one way go talk, president say go say no here, be no. Now, governor of Imo State don't come out and say himself no hear all these kind of things. Say the other things where people they even complain, say insecurity. Say nothing be that kind of things where they happen. Say now youth, now people now they go outside. They will come outside for midnight. Won't go cause all this kasala. They will come outside and say, now government ain't go do this one. Now say now we they do all these kind of things. So, oh guy, you shock us. Because if say now people they do this kind of things, they no go still come outside when they complain, say, una no they work. Why person go dey kill im own self? All this thing wey they even talk say why na no go win for 2020. Make una forget this thing now, no be even about politics, no be about APC or PDP. We need better leaders. Now leaders wey go fit work for the country, person wey be say go even care for the nation. No be the one wey we go dey talk before we go see you don't go carry army make dem come kill citizens. No be that kind of person we dey find. So forget say APC or PDP, we never even know who we will even vote for. So make you forget that kind of matter. And look, your own state in particular, even they in chaos. You never even talk about that one. The way they kill and do, you know, see that one, no? You can't talk saying all the way they just they talk. Now mouth talk. I don't understand you, Oga. It be like say all these government people, what thing I go conclude, It be like say all of them, they don't swear one kind oath. They don't carry them go babalawo place. Say if you talk anything about this government, if you talk any bad thing, they go kill you. It be like say now I make them know if you talk because it be like say all these government people now then they feed them. Now I make this man go get power, get liver, can't talk this kind of thing. Make I never talk say this man no even get sense. Because you self, this man, make I know in children, he himself, in they see say things no they work out well. But I be like say everybody just they fear to talk. No one they fear for that. Buhari have been a who now a bubu na they fear. This kind of matter tire me It dey even vex me because all this one with this man they talk. Person no fit just come outside. All the shout people they shout now. The man can't talk say he no even hear anything. Then the only thing where him don't hear now about headsman and farmer where they fight. So that means all our shouting, all our talking, now in vain. Now, wow, my people, now so I bring this story for now. Anything way now feel about waiting this man talk, making a write down for the comment section. Then making a don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I will see you on for our next video.